Who is it?
Hi, it's your neighbor from downstairs.
Oh, hello. What's wrong?
Sorry, but it's very loud tonight.
Loud? From our apartment?
Yes, the music is shaking my ceiling.
Oh, no. We didn't realize. We were just celebrating.
I understand, but it's midnight.
You're right. We'll lower the volume right away.
Thank you. I have work early tomorrow.
Oh, sorry for disturbing you. We'll keep it quiet from now on.
I really appreciate that.
Next time, we'll invite you too.
That would help.
Good night, and thanks for telling us.
Good night. Please enjoy quietly.
We promise. Sleep well. Okay, guys, let's turn the music off and maybe just talk instead.
Jack, did you bring cash?
Uh, oh, no. I think I forgot.
What? We need to pay for these groceries.
Relax. Maybe they take cards.
Let's ask.
Hello. Cash or card?
Can I pay by card?
Sorry, our card machine is broken. Cash only today.
That's bad. We don't have any cash.
Seriously? Only today, of all days.
There's an ATM just across the street.
Okay, I'll wait here with the groceries.
I'll go get the money. Be right back.
No problem. I'll keep your things here.
Thanks. Please hurry before someone thinks I live here.
Haha, don't worry. I'll be fast.
And don't forget extra cash this time.
I won't. Lesson learned.
It happens all the time.
Yeah, but only to us every week.
Got the cash. Crisis over.
Finally, let's pay before something else goes wrong.
Agreed. Next time, I'm bringing a wallet and a backup wallet.
Good idea, Mr. Forgetful.